Two Pages is always my go-to for custom window treatments, and it was time to add drapes to my bathroom and a Roman shade to the playroom. I always recommend hanging your drapes 2 to 3 inches below your ceiling line and have them long enough that they just kiss the floor. Needing privacy for a bathroom but still wanting some natural light to flow in, I opted for Two Pages double curtain rod that allows you to hang both sheer drapes and linen drapes together. I love the drapery rings they carry because they are lined and easily slide along the rod. The drapery clips come with the drapes and easily slide in. And they're even adjustable. I love how they turned out. I think they definitely elevated the space. Next up was the Roman shade in the playroom. I was shocked at how fast and easy this was. We just measured the width and the length of the window. We wanted an inside mount, so we deducted 3/8 of an inch to the width for an easy fit. It added an extra dose of charm to our reading nook.